Hey what's up guys, my name is Kib, and today we're making a video of how to edit, how I edit my videos. So let's just go into this. So what you're going to need first of all is this app right here. And I'm supposed to be recording my iPad so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. You're going to need this app right here called iMovie. It's Focus iMovie. So it's free and it's great and you can download it in the App Store. So we just set up my GoPro. There we go. Now it's set up and put it against the screen. Okay, so now what we want to do is go into not video, as you can see up here. Let's go into projects and create video. And once you press movie and select this video. I've already made a video. So yeah. So this is what the video is. Oh god, my Bluetooth is on. Okay. So guys, this is the video for the video you're seeing right now. I'm going to be editing this about 15-second video. So we're walking around and I'm teaching you how to do it. So, thank you. So that's the video. So what we want to do now is, if you want to say, start off and say something. So, you want to click on this. So, you see this line right here? See that line? You want to click the video. This thing could just focus. There we go. You want to click the video. So let's say I want the words to go to right here. Click the video and drag along the line. Once it becomes in two halves, you want to click on the video and go into the titles. Right down to here. Now you can pick any of these ones. They're all free, but I like going single or pop-up. So I'll go pop-up in this one. And I'll go, so delete all this, and I'll go green. So all you can say, please subscribe and stuff, so if you press it, so guys, this is the video. So as you can see, that works. Now let's say you want to, here, for some reason, you want to zoom into my cringy full face. Well, so you do it. So you press on this, and as you can see, there's actually a zoom in button up here, right top left. You click on that, and zoom in. So once you've zoomed in, you click out until it's not going, and yeah, that's it. For the video you see. So now you want to slow-mo it, and you don't know how. So what you want to do is click where you want it to start, drag down, and then click it, put the line where you want it to end, and do the exact same thing. So now when you have a little part like this, if you want to, you can either turn down the volume or turn up the volume. And for speed, usually there's more because I don't have the newest version of iMovie because my iPad's too late. But now you can actually speed it forward, but only I can speed it backwards. So what you're going to do is click it and drag backwards. So now you can actually see it is actually in slow-mo. You're seeing right now. As you can see, that worked. So now what you want to do, so you want to add filter. Well, you have to do the exact same thing and just go into filters and add one of these. See, that extremely works. Now you want to add some music. So what I do is, on my iPod, I actually have voice memos of memes I use. What I do is I go to Actions, Detach Audio, and go into this audio, and I press Delete down in the bottom right. Now what I will do is I will press this button right up here. I will be pressing this microphone, and I will say ready to record. So you press record, and you'll wait 3 seconds. So now I'm talking on this video. And then I'll just play stop when I want it to. Stop right there. Okay. So now accept it. And now if you put a meme there, it'll sound like a meme. But look. And now I'm talking on this video. So it doesn't actually look like I'm talking. Stop when I want it to. I'm teaching you how to do it. So yeah, that's that. So now if there's anything else you'd like me to see to do, just comment down below. It's gonna be a really quick video of just me telling you how to do it. But yeah. Now, I'm not going to be editing the video you can see right now, but now you know how to edit, because, yeah. So, yeah, that's that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!